Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of the American Revolution. So in the previous part we have done the historical background and we have started the political causes. In the political causes there are two types. There are two causes. There are two causes. First one is imperial rivalry and second is burden of taxes. Imperial rivalry between Britishers and French and burden of taxes by Britishers. So first of all, coming to the imperial rivalry between British and French. What are the imperial rivalry between Britishers and the French? So imperial rivalry of Britishers and French is been happening in three places. The first place in Africa, in Europe and in India. These three are the places where the imperial rivalry is been happening. In the first war, there are war happening from 1740 to 1763. The imperial rivalry, Britishers and French wars happen from 1740 to 1763. In Africa, British and French. This is the first war. In the first war, Britishers won the French, and in India, French wins by the Britishers. Okay, it happens from 1740 to 1748, in which the Treaty of 1748 signed, which is known as Aix-la-Chapelle. Now the second war, which happens from 1749 to 1753. In Africa, French wins and the British loses, and in India, Britishers win and the French loses. Okay, so in these two there is a tie situation, so outcome was not a great. In the third war, Britishers and French, British wins and here also British wins. So in both the cases, British wins. So outcome was that the Britishers wins the war, and this war happens from 1757 to 1763. This is also known as 7 Years' War. In this, the Treaty of Paris is being signed in the France. Okay, so what are the imperial rivalry between Britishers and French causes? A lot of troops and money usage by the Britishers. So their economic condition becomes less. Okay, so they don't have so much revenue generation in this 20 years war, almost 20 years war. They are sending the troops from all over the globe, to Africa, Europe, India, and plus their money usage, their revenue generation are not so much great. Okay. So what happened after Treaty of Paris is signed? After the Treaty of Paris is signed, Britishers started imposing taxes on America. They started putting tea tax and sugar tax and stamp tax. So they started imposing tax on the essential commodities. As they started imposing tax on the essential commodities, what is happening? Additional burden of taxes is increased on American people. Plus, they also neglected now the banning neglect policy. Okay, so this is the political causes which happened in the American Revolution. Now, what are the economic causes that are happening in the economic causes are: first is navigation taxes. From America to Europe, there were only British ships which will do the trade. Okay, no other country is being allowed to trade here. So this is the economic causes which happen in the American Civil War.